Giving arises from a natural willingness to help, bringing joy to the giver as a result of impacting someone else's life. As a responsible corporate citizen, we at Petronet LNG Limited have taken a small step to provide a platform to those who are in need and those who have a passion for compassion. Petronet has started a noble initiative, Good Samaritan, a web-based portal where our employees can contribute for our contractual employees in their need of hour, related to education, dreams and aspiration of talented children, marriage, combating health conditions, family bereavement and any such occasion where a small contribution can make a big difference. The help is not just restricted to cash. It can also be in kind, through guidance, counseling, motivating purchase of books, blood donation, besides joining them in their celebrations and grief. We at Petronet LNG believe this small step will go a long way in igniting compassion among our fellow society members to create a new societal order where life has a new meaning and we can witness joy of giving in its full glory. Petronet is also playing a stellar role in community initiatives across the country.
Your character is undeniable. Your resolve is unquestionable. Your history is unparalleled. Your inspiration is unmatched. Petronet Super 30, PLL's noble initiative for students of Kashmir. Kashmir, the paradise of yesteryear, is crying tears of blood, leaving behind telltale signs of its pain and bruises, with scattered stones, empty shell casings, lethal pellets, ruckus on streets, followed by empty streets with silence all around. The antithesis to all this, hope of a bright future in young and vibrant eyes and stream of knowledge flowing freely in a peaceful learning environment where knowledge rules and not violence. Such a calming environment was provided to potential IIT aspirants at the Super 30 camp in Srinagar, sponsored by Petronet LNG Limited in association with the Indian Army and CSRL. The boys were provided training in Kashmir, and looking at the hostile atmosphere in the valley, the girls were provided training in Delhi. 28 of the 40 students enrolled this year were able to clear the IIT entrance and can now look forward to a future of their own choice and of their own making.
पेट्रोनेट ने हमारी बहुत मदद की एंड इंडियन आर्मी जिन्होंने हमें फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट शायद हम कश्मीर में भी कर पाते लेकिन इतना नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी कोचिंग सेंटर्स हैं लेकिन वहाँ पे अकोमोडेशन का खर्चा भी होता और कोचिंग का अलग बट पेट्रोनेट की वजह से हम दिल्ली भी आए जो कि उन्हीं की तरफ से आए हम और उन्होंने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया फाइनेंशियली हमें अकोमोडेशन वो भी मिला बिल्कुल फ्री और IITian टीचर से हम इंटरेक्ट कर पाए जो कि शायद ही हम कर पाते कश्मीर में.
The past year was a tough time for students, with schools and colleges remaining shut for months. Still, the South Kashmir region, which was at the epicenter of the violence, saw best results, with more students from the region clearing the exam. This proves their resolve against violence and hope for a promising future. What is more heartening is that a number of girl students also took the training, and the positive response towards the entire initiative has encouraged Petronet and the Indian Army to increase the intake for the next session.
मैं 11th-12th की कोचिंग कर रही थी तो वहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई CSRL प्लस इंडियन आर्मी प्लस पेट्रोनेट तो उन्होंने हमें इस टेस्ट के बारे में बताया तो हमने टेस्ट दिया, टेस्ट के बाद हमारी सिलेक्शन हुई। तो इसके बाद हमें श्रीनगर इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया गया, तो हमने इंटरव्यू दे दिया। तो उसके बाद हमें दिल्ली बुलाया गया, तो हम दिल्ली आए। तो यहाँ पे हमने कोचिंग ली। कोचिंग हमने ऐसी फैकल्टी से ली जो खुद IITians हैं। मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी इंडियन आर्मी, CSRL, पेट्रोनेट का, जिन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया कि हम भी दुनिया भर के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ कम्पीट कर सकते हैं।
28 students from Kashmir have cleared the joint entrance exam for India's top engineering institutions like the IITs. They were trained by the Army Super 30 program. One of them, Shahnaza Yusuf, who is originally from Bandipora, spoke to me today. I began, of course, by asking her initial reactions when the result was announced and the kind of effort that went into this terrific feat.
यस मैम, मुझे पूरा यकीन था कि मैं कर पाऊँगी। मैंने 11th से स्टार्ट किया मैम, फिर हर रोज़ हमें 18 आवर्स पढ़ना पड़ता था। मुझे करना था, मुझे बनना था, इसलिए मैंने दिन रात मेहनत की और एट लास्ट मेरा जो रिज़ल्ट आया वो सक्सेसफुली रहा मैम।
और अब आप इंजीनियरिंग में जा रहे हैं, आगे आपके गोल्स क्या हैं? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं?
Ma'am, it is my anticipation to serve the humanity well by being very close to them. So I chose my aim to be an IITian, whereby I can understand the basic problems of the people.
Basic problems of the people, and hopefully find some terrific solutions as well. I wonder if you realize, Shahnaza, that your success is special because you're a woman, of course, and also that you're a woman from Kashmir. Do you sort of realize how big a feat this is?
ये बहुत कुछ है मैम मेरे लिए, और मेरी सारी जो मेरी बहनें हैं उन सब के लिए,
और इनफैक्ट पूरे देश के लिए। शहनाजा, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। वी जस्ट नीड मोर रोल मॉडल्स लाइक यू।
Petronet has played a stellar role in community initiatives across the country. And this project for Kashmiri students is a reminder of what can be achieved when steadfast resolve meets the will to succeed. Petronet LNG Limited, putting India first.